Boudin bowls. I remember what it's called. Do you remember what it's called?
It was called hot balls, spicy balls, hot balls,
Yeah.
hot boys. No, I'm sorry, I'm just playing. Want to know where we are?
You're gonna want to stick around for this.
Hi, village.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our table or our car. So today we had this grand idea to come to the beach and get some new food and eat. But it's hot. So we're sitting in the car and the beach is right there. We're gonna post some pictures up here. So today we went to a place called Shrimp and Stuff here on Galveston Island. Here's their menu. Y'all, it smells super good.
And we'll insert a picture of the menu.
Yes. So here we have fried shrimp and hush puppies.
And let's try that first.
Okay, so here's some fried shrimp. Oh, it's
She
okay.
done
I'll hold it.
stole my shrimp. I like to put a little lemon on my shrimp.
Go ahead. You want this?
And we got hush puppies.
Okay, here. Boop. These are really good.
You try shrimp?
We knew this place was going to be good when it's packed. Here's the hush puppies. Oh, it's got a little
Please
spice.
don't say spice.
Just a little hint.
Okay.
The cool thing I love about this place is that look what it says on the back of their menu. If you enjoyed the food, tell your friends. If not, tell us. That's really cool.
That's cool.
And you know what? We kind of want to say that too. If you like our videos and you like watching our crazy life right now, then share our videos with your friends and family. We're on a journey to get to 1,000 subscribers. I don't know why I just did that. She was looking at me like I'm crazy. At least I didn't sing it. Sometimes I sing stuff.
Please don't.
Anyway, we want to get to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
And don't forget, Sierra said when we get to 800 subscribers, we're going to do another giveaway. I just sang that. I'm so sorry. I don't know why. Anyway, so share our video, share our page with your friends, and help us grow. We want to keep good content, and we want to constantly be trying new places, going new places, trying new foods, doing some crazy stuff. Except I have to say, no more hot stuff. I need a break from the hot
There
stuff.
might be some more in the future.
I'm saying Mama needs a break from some hot stuff.
Well, Mama ain't gonna get a break, so.
Pay for me. Help.
Next we got as a side potatoes.
Spicy potatoes, they said. And it comes with your meal. You get hush puppies and 2 sides. So we got double hush puppies and spicy potatoes.
I mean, it's potatoes, so. But I like the spice on them.
Yeah, it's just got some Cajun spice on the outside.
You guys know I love me some. and the butter is melted.
Oh, wow. Ooh, I'm feeling that spice. I think we just found our new restaurant on the island. Welcome to all of our new subscribers. We just want to tell y'all thank you for helping us get to where we are. Whether you're new or old, we're so excited to have you join us on our journeys and our food journey and throughout our life. So welcome. Okay, this is
shrimp, stuffed shrimp.
Stuffed
Are you gonna
shrimp.
take a drink?
Oh, I have the wrong thing.
That's why you can see me. I was looking at her a little crazy. I was like, okay, when is she gonna notice that she's drinking my hot coffee?
And it's a hot coffee, not on purpose hot.
Yeah, so you guys can see me looking at her a little weird. I was like, when is she gonna notice? Yeah.
Okay, so this is stuffed shrimp. And of course, we have some,
Tartar sauce.
Tartar sauce. I'm gonna let you go first. What's it stuffed with? Crab?
I don't know. Think about it.
Let's see.
How much do you think it's stuffed with? I think crab. Like,
I think it is. I think it's like, it's like a crab cake surrounding shrimp.
yes.
What a genius idea. So they took a crab cake mixture and shoved it around shrimp.
That was good.
Okay, shrimp and stuff, right? Shrimp
That's
and
pretty
stuff.
good. That's pretty good. So the next thing we got was a Boudin bowl. I don't remember what it's called. Do you remember what it's called?
It was called hot balls, spicy balls, hot balls,
Yeah.
hot boys. No, I'm sorry. Hot
What it
balls.
looks like. And it's Boudin with like shrimp and
He said it's like Boudin and a jalapeno popper mixed in together. I don't like Boudin per se,
I love Boudin.
so I might just be giving you. Okay, here we go. Hot
I
balls.
hope you don't like it. Guys.
And it's gooey, gooey, cheesy on the inside. Wow. That's pretty good. I'm going to open it up so you can see it better. Look at that.
God.
Now, that's a Boudin ball I can like.
Darn it.
Ooh. I can definitely taste the jalapeno. What is it with you and all the spicy foods, y'all? If I come up missing, she's gonna get all the insurance money.
Wow. We might need to stop in on the way back. You don't like it? I'm so glad.
That's good, but you like Boudin balls more than me. I think it was called hot balls, chili balls, spicy balls, something balls. Oop. Y'all, I'm really disappointed. I wanted us to sit out on the beach and eat and film.
It's too hot.
With the wind in our hair and the ocean behind us. It's hot. And the chef, his name is the Chicano Cook.
Yes.
Check him out.
Dropping his Instagram.
Yeah,
here.
we'll put his Instagram here, and y'all check him out.
All right, so this next one is kind of hers.
Oh, it's
the
small.
fish taco. I'm gonna let her try that by herself. I don't like fish tacos at all. I think it comes with this, like, I don't know.
Is that honey?
I don't think it's honey. I think it's like,
Look at that. Let me see.
Oh yeah, it's honey.
What's that for? The Boudin balls. Uh-oh. Yeah, you might want to put that in the bag.
All right. but
Okay.
here, you said you got to put this on it.
He said I have to put this on it. I'm not a black bean person, but
Since he said for us to put it on it, we'll put it on it.
oh, it smells really good. He said it's like a, oh, it does smell good.
I personally don't like fish tacos, so I will be sitting this one out. I just can't do fish tacos. I'm sorry, guys.
But it's fried fish.
I still can't do it.
They said catfish was really good there too.
Yeah, they did say that.
When I asked people who live here
They
what
said
they
they're
like,
po' boys.
they were like everything. They haven't had anything on the menu that was bad. Okay, here we go. This is a big, even though it's only one, look how full it is. It's like overflowing.
And it's like a full piece of catfish too, isn't it?
It's not, I don't know if it's catfish, but
It's some type of fish.
You can definitely taste the black bean, which I'm not a fan of, but it's good. Oh, you know what?
Let me try and buy it.
You want to put some tartar sauce on it?
On a fish taco?
It's fish. Here you go. I need a napkin. It's pretty good, and it's got a cold coleslaw of cabbage. Did you get the cabbage?
Okay. It's a lot better than I expected, I'll give them that. Do you want the last Boudin ball? Guys, look at this. Like,
Use the honey on the Boudin ball.
I don't really like honey on my Boudin ball.
Y'all, this is good. I'm not a black bean person at all. Like, I loathe black beans.
Would you like it?
We're so silly. We want to hear the beach, so this side of the car, the windows are down, the AC's on. This side of the car, the windows are up, because as cars are going by, y'all can see all the cars right here going by. So I wanted to cut out the cars going by sound, but still hear the beach in the background. I hope y'all can hear it. But then we had to have the AC on because we were just dying. And we had to come to the beach. Well, we're here for work, for one thing, but we had to just stop and get some lunch and eat out on the beach, because we have, well, one, it's just relaxing, and two, we haven't had a summer, really. And look what this humidity is doing to my hair. It's time for me to get my gray covered.
Guys, so 10 out of 10, I would recommend this place. Shrimp and Stuff is the place to be.
If you need a travel or a vacation spot, come to Galveston Island.
Yeah.
It's fun. We try to come as much as we can.
Even though we live like an hour from it, we're not
Yeah.
here as often as
We don't come as much as we would like to. But it's cool. There's a lot to do. There's a lot to do for your family. And, of course, it's the beach. But there's a lot to do on
the seawall.
The seawall, on the Strand.
Pleasure Pier.
Moody Gardens. You name it. There's a ton of stuff that you can do out here.
Guys, I would so jump in this water.
And look, she's got the cutest shirt on. It's 9 million degrees outside.
I just bought it.
And she's wearing, look, sit up so they can see. It's a Galveston shirt, but it's a sweatshirt, long sleeve. She's crazy.
I'm very crazy.
Very crazy.
Thank you guys so much for watching us and growing with us. We really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And if you have not turned on your notification bell, please do so you will get alerted every time we go live or post any amazing videos. Do that.
And give us a thumbs up.
He's not here right now.
Lucky,
but give him a thumbs up.
Lucky's not here.
No, he's not.
It's too hot.
Yeah.
And the last time we brought him to the beach, we had to keep him leashed.
If not,
he would be taken off like choo, 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 choo.
Chasing birds.
Cars, people, other dogs.
All the above.
Those people just pulled up right on us. Did y'all see that? Like they're the po-po.
Dang. I mean, there are like 800 other parking spots behind us.
At least.
Oh well.
Oh well.
Shout out to the car behind us.
Hi, people behind us.